Hey, so the next thing we're going to do in this video is we're going to learn how to use the bold, italics, and underline text functions. So trong tiếng Việt là mình đang học dùng cái bold, italic, với underline function của cái Microsoft Word. Trong đây mình dùng cái highlight function. We're going to use the highlight function on this title of the document, my letter, and we're going to highlight and select bold, and you'll see that there's a difference in the text boldness. We're going to unbold it. We're going to do italics, unpress that button, underline it. I'm going to do underline and bold just to make it clear for the reader. Likewise, let's highlight the second paragraph. Highlight, press the left mouse button, highlight dùng cái trái nút, cái nút trái ở bên phía trái ở trên cái mouse human, highlight human, click italics, and you'll see that is italicized. Okay, so I hope this little tidbit helps. Thank you for tuning in. Cảm ơn cho coi cái video này.